In this video I'll show you how to adjust the mechanical brakes on most of the electric bicycles. This one is a mini Onebot S1. You can do this on Jetson Bolt Pro, Haze, or any electric bicycle. So you would need to loosen up these two bolts, one over here and one right over here with the hex key. So it will be moving around. Next step, over here there's also like a bolt. So you would need to tighten up all the way to the end to make it very tight so the wheel not move at all. Okay, so now the wheel cannot move. This is a life hack how to adjust the brakes. Actually, I created just recently. So once you make this wheel not moving anywhere, you simply would tighten these two bolts, the one you loosen up. Okay. And now the wheel is still not moving, so what you do now, you start to adjust this a little bit. Okay. Now you can hear it's still touching the pads, but because this cable 2/10, and I would just untighten this nut a little bit and release a little bit cable, not a lot, maybe a few millimeters, and then tighten back. And now it's spinning really good. So basically you can still adjust from another side. A bit more to make it kind of tighter. And now the brakes works very good, and you can stop. And no, actually this Onebot S1 have never squeaking brakes, so they have very good braking system, mechanical, and very easy to set up. So once again I will remind you how to do it. You are tightening these two bolts, okay, then from another side you tighten the nut, or whatever you call it, very tight so the wheel will not move. Then not every brake would need to adjust this cable, depending on the system. In this bike right now it was kind of 2/10, so I adjust like 2 millimeters about to loosen up. Then you would tighten these two nuts as well. Okay, and then you would unscrew a little bit this bolt, and the brake should be like this, not touching. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and if it helps you, don't forget to hit subscribe, like it, and follow for more tips.